Hello, my name is Kavita. I'm founder of Tots and Moms Foods. If your child has completed 1 year, now is the time your child can slowly start with cow's milk and also healthy forms of sugar. And it is also the time that your child has to switch to family foods. All that we eat, your child has to eat. But if it is gradual, your child is still eating porridges or soft foods, mashed foods, it's okay. Let your child take its own time. But keep this in mind that you'll have to switch soon. Another thing, this is the time when everyone in the family is taking liberty of offering foods, and those are junk. So to help them stay away from it, Tots and Moms Foods has amazing healthy snacking option. So these are three variants of cookies: ragi cookies, nuts and seeds cookies, sweet and savory cookies. All these you can give to your 1 year old child. Just keep a watch while they are starting to eat snacks, and because you are starting cow's milk, you can also start with healthy options. We do not promise that your child will become taller or will gain weight, but we promise that these are made of natural ingredients with higher percentage of dry fruits: choco dates, almond dates, nuts pro, and ragi and almond ring. And yes, they want more snacks, more finger foods, so we also have pancake mixes. You just mix it with milk and make amazing delicious pancakes: banana almond and choco almond pancakes. So just ensure that you stick to junk free snacking and make your child's life healthy.